Nature is a miracle we depend upon. Protect nature and nature will protect you. With this positive thought, let me begin my story with the environment. Me and my terrace garden with the exotic herbal plants. I am 14-year-old. I feel I belong to that future generation where I must be responsible for protecting and taking care of my mother nature. Being superior animal, humans should take care of the nature. The king of the spices, black pepper. I have planted black pepper plant, which is origin spices of Western Ghat. Even it has medicinal benefits for soaring throat, cold and cough. Ashwagandha. I have planted Ashwagandha plant, which is one of the most revered plants in traditional Ayurvedic medicine in India. It has its own medical benefits. Betel leaf, the traditional plant of Indian culture. I have also planted betel leaf, which also having lot of medical benefits. And turmeric. It's an aromatic medicinal plant which I have in my garden.